And this is the part that nobody is telling you, but I'm here to tell you. With ChatGPT Images 2, you can start making money right now. How? YouTube thumbnails for $30 to $80 per thumbnail. Carousels for Instagram, LinkedIn. Posters for restaurants and local businesses. Logos for startups. Infographics for newsletters and Substack. And all this and so much more. OpenAI has just done something that shouldn't even be legal. They've just launched ChatGPT Images 2.0, and in this video, I'm going to show you why Midjourney, Leonardo, and even Nano Banana are done for. I'm going to show you the 7 crazy capabilities of the model. I'll give you 10 prompts you can copy today, and at the end, I'll show you how to monetize it this week. If you make it to minute 8, I'll give you my pack of 50 cyberpunk prompts. It's the first image model that thinks before generating. It's called thinking mode. First, the model searches the web, reasons, and plans the layout. 3 mind-blowing facts. 1. It renders text with 99% accuracy, surpassing Midjourney. 2. It speaks every language. 3. It generates 8 images from a single prompt. And the best part, it's free. I got carried away, right, with those images. Yeah, maybe. And it's real. We now have ChatGPT Images 2.0 accessible at no cost right at home. Yes, this new generator, this powerful new engine is going to change everything we have known so far. And it will be incredibly useful to you. And with the free plan, you obviously have limited resources, but you'll still be able to enjoy the experience that OpenAI offers us with these new Images 2.0. It's as easy as trying it out in ChatGPT, and I'll leave all of this for you here in the description. So once we're in the images section, this completely revamped new section, we're going to do the following. We're going to do things that were unthinkable before. And first, let's start with the very first one. Create the cover of a Time magazine called Dota Era with the headline, AI no longer needs humans. In a photorealistic cyberpunk style. As you already know, many AIs are really good at generating images, but adding text to those images is still a bit more challenging for them. But you get this for free. With this new technology in ChatGPT, things are different. And here we have the result of this first image, of this first sequence, a magazine cover, which honestly, just yesterday would have been impossible to do, this kind of thing. Let's move on to the next one, an infographic that will search directly on the web, okay? About the 5 most powerful AI models of 2026 with completely real and accurate statistics. And here we have the infographic, interestingly, with ChatGPT putting itself in first place, but that's no coincidence at all. And in fact, something so silly and curious that you should really think about is that more and more people are now making ChatGPT their primary search engine. Where before a website would aim for SEO and SM on web pages like Google or other search engines and try to rank and paid to rank. Now people are trying to rank on ChatGPT, and that's certainly no joke. And it's not surprising that more and more people, especially young people, are turning directly to frequently asked questions they would have searched on Google, but now in ChatGPT. Now let's move on to a language prompt, a prompt where many AI engines would mess up, for example, in this case, in Arabic, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, English, and Spanish. I'm not really going to be able to tell Korean from Japanese or Chinese very well, but anyway, I'm going to assume that the result will be correct and optimal. I want to emphasize at all times that I'm using the free plan, so what I'm doing, you could be doing too. When I'm not using any prompt or anything crazy, I'm just writing it myself as is to see what it does, and so you can see different examples of what it's doing in this new update with Images 2.0. Wow, this is really cool, huh? The future is now in Chinese. Well, at least it clarifies for me in almost every language. Tell me that Chinese, Japanese, and Korean aren't identical. And a promise is a promise. It can generate those 8 versions of an avatar of a particular character or some fictional one you create. Super hyper realistic, and we could use it now as an avatar in a video sequence to explain, narrate, teach whatever you want. A minimalist logo in PNG. Wow, that's absolutely gorgeous. And I can think of a huge variety of creative ideas to bring all these prompts and images they're giving us to life and generate a significant profit from them. How? And this is the part nobody's telling you, but I'm here to tell you. With ChatGPT Images 2, you're going to be able to start making money now. How? YouTube thumbnails from $30 to $80 per thumbnail. Carousels for Instagram, LinkedIn. Posters for restaurants and local businesses. Logos for startups. Infographics for newsletters and Substack. And you can find all of this and much more through platforms like Fiverr or Workana, or even another secret one that I will reveal to you if this video gets a lot of support. Alright, and now I am going to leave in the description below as a gift 3 niches where you, right now, as soon as you finish watching this video, will be able to start making money immediately. If the video gets a lot of support and you share it with others, I will come up with 5 more for tomorrow's video, so make sure to turn on the notification bell right now. Alright, the moment you've been waiting for has arrived. I've gone a bit over the top in this video. I've given the exact same detailed prompt to ChatGPT, Images 2.0, Midjourney V8, and also Google's brand new Nano Banana 2. So what happens when we test them? Well, ChatGPT absolutely outperforms all the other models currently available. I also wanted to add a bit of a visual cinematic touch to keep you entertained while you're watching through this entire video today. And indeed, without making any mistakes at all, in the benchmark arena, Yosh, the latest ChatGPT Images version 2.0 successfully secures a victory by 24 points over Midjourney and Nano Banana. I also want to point out that during the actual test, which, damn, I actually did perform, Google, obviously using Nano Banana Pro, did come pretty close to the mark, but of course we're comparing the paid engine, which is Nano Banana, because its free use is very limited and quite restrictive. On the other hand, we've seen that with ChatGPT Images 2.0, we have a much broader range of use. I created 10 images and I could still create more completely for free, so clearly I think ChatGPT Images 2.0 is the clear winner. And as promised, a promise is a promise. I'm going to give you the 50 incredible packs of cyberpunk prompts. All you have to do for me to give them to you is simply leave a comment on the video, and then you'll be able to easily unlock those 50 unique prompts that I can send and publish, so you can use them freely for your own projects. And I really think this is a good time for you to tell me exactly what you are going to use your ChatGPT Images 2.0 for. Because this is a brand new window of opportunities to make money from home for anyone with the free plan, as you have seen we had. Alright, so to sum everything up, what exactly do we have here? Launched yesterday, well, the day before yesterday, ChatGPT Images 2.0, the most advanced image model from OpenAI. This also kills off many tools, sub-tools, and AI tools that were obviously improving their image systems or text-to-image systems, etc. And ChatGPT has come to take over with this new technology we've been seeing. With prompt-based images, you can even make up to 8, which is really good. To dominate the ranking, 12 hours, leadership points, 142, image arena, 1 point. There's 1 point. First position goes to ChatGPT Images 2.0. We've all absolutely been seeing it here. I've made you an awesome PDF slide kind of with a cyberpunk vibe like my marketing and influencer agency, which you'll also find in the description. It's superpowers, instant mode, it's ultra fast, as you've seen. I didn't even have to make any scene cuts where we saw that maybe it took 8 seconds, 10 seconds to generate images for us, which are obviously complex and that a designer might charge us X dollars for and take 1, 2, 3, or 4 days. So, perfect. And if you wanted to modify it, of course, you just follow the pattern. It has memory and you can change or modify whatever you want. That's the good thing about thinking mode, which is what I was mentioning at the beginning of the video. The #1 competitive advantage, render to text, is a complete game changer because compared to other competitors, it does multilingual text. That is something that we have urgently needed for a long time, and it happened to me with many different AIs, with intelligent models, that putting text on images was really difficult, or it would completely mess up the text you try to write on those images. This has been a truly significant and major fix, and a really great advancement they've made. ChatGPT versus Nano Banana versus Midjourney, you can see it here. For developers, this has also been a huge step forward, I won't deny it. And the price, the good thing we have here is the cost per image per 1024 by 1024, which we're talking about in terms of token billing. Instant with movement is also spectacular. I think ChatGPT wins by a mile. Let me know in the comments. Without further delay, I'll say goodbye. I'm Dota. See you in the next video. Bye bye.